Pour the baking soda into baijiu. That's pretty cool. It's hard to buy with money. Solve the big troubles of many male and female friends. Hello, everybody. I am Longer. Let me share with you today baking soda and baijiu, a magical use that goes together. The method is super simple. It's available in every household. Speaking of using baking soda, every household has it. It is in our daily life, a particularly common food additive. We usually use it to make buns and steamed buns. In addition to this, it also has a strong cleaning effect. Many friends are unaware of this. Then what we mainly use today, it's baking soda, one of its cleaning effects. After the baking soda is ready, we'll put it aside for later use. Then prepare baijiu in the monk's house. Baijiu has it in every household, especially my grandfather at home, grandpa, great-grandpa, etc. The habit of drinking a little wine at ordinary times. Drink less to maintain health. So basically, every household has it. So what about baijiu? Just prepare ordinary baijiu. You don't need to prepare any brand. Or the cheapest baijiu with a high price will be fine. Baijiu is ready. We also put it aside for later use. Next, we will prepare another bowl. Disposable bowl, or it is usually used to wash at home, or some containers that are usually used to water flowers. Either way, then prepare an appropriate amount of edible leaven. Pour the soda into a bowl. Edible baking soda, we can pour a little more. After pouring it in, we will prepare an appropriate amount of baijiu. Pour into edible baking soda. Add an appropriate amount of water to dilute. The amount of water should be slightly more. Prepare chopsticks or spoons at home. Mix it well. After stirring well, now our solution is blended. What is the use after reconciling? Next, we prepare a small spray bottle. Small spray bottles are available in every household. I usually use it to spray some flowers and plants. Very easy to use. There is no small spray bottle. Cosmetic spray bottles at home are also okay. When ready, we will now mix the solution just now. Pour directly into our spray bottle. After pouring it, pick it up and shake it twice. Let the water baijiu use baking soda. Mix more evenly. After mixing well, we can start using it. What is its miraculous use? So like kettles, every household has them, right? Kettle, give our lives, brings a lot of convenience. Then we use the pot directly, or some other container to boil water. To be faster, and it's more convenient. Boil water anytime. It was very quick, but we found that after this electric kettle has been used for a long time, there will be a lot of scale on it, not easy to clean. Many friends have encountered this situation. Then once the scale accumulates, it looks very, very appropriate. This time, we can use the solution we just mixed, sprayed on the surface of this electric kettle. Where are the more water stains? We'll just spray a little more. After spraying, we can put it on top of our kettle. Keep it for about 3 minutes. Let it end the stain on the kettle. Oil stains, dirt, and scale should be fully reacted. In this way, we will clean it later in the process. It will be more convenient. Then we just need to find a scouring cloth or a rag at home. Now wipe it lightly. You see the very dirty place and the water-stained place just now. Immediately clean places that have been wiped and places that have not been wiped. The contrast was stark. So why is it used for such a purpose? The principle is very simple. I just told you all. Using baking soda has excellent cleaning power. It is usually used to clean household appliances, also a good hand. In addition to that, it can also be used to clean fruits and vegetables at home. It has a purpose of removing agricultural residues. And after adding baijiu also has a good role in burning, disinfecting, and sterilizing. After matching together, it can be used to achieve twice the result with half the effort. Of course, if the scale on the electric kettle is stubborn. It can also be found in edible baking soda. Add a little white vinegar. White vinegar has a good softening effect. For alkaline scale, it also has a good neutralizing effect. Achieve the purpose of removing scale. After cleaning, let's wipe it again with a clean towel. You can find out at this time, the kettle immediately rubs light. There's not a smudge, there's dirt and lime scale on it. Second use, cutting board at home. We use it every day. After a long time, it also grows a lot of bacteria. because it's like our cutting board. It is mainly used to cut some fruits and vegetables. They even cut various meats. Whether it's raw or not, ripe or not, we'll use cutting board, so after a long time, there will be a lot of stains, dirt, and even oil stains on the surface, and you get a lot of bacteria growing over time. Even this cutting board smells a little bit bad. It makes many friends very upset. Like having some friends, the cutting board at home is used to cut cooked meat or other raw meats. And then they use it to chop up fruits and vegetables. This will result in the fruit we cut out. There is a lot of odor, and it's not clean. Most friends will choose, after each use detergent to clean the cutting board. But we found that, although detergent can remove oil stains from the cutting board, stains removed clean, there's also a very troubling problem. That is, the foam of detergent is difficult to completely clean. In fact, this is the same as our cutting board. The material also has a lot to do with it because the cutting boards are usually made of bamboo or wooden. Has a strong adsorption force. Adsorption. If we use this detergent to clean, that's a lot of cleaning foam. It will be completely absorbed by the cutting board. Want to clean it thoroughly? It can be said to be a very difficult thing. So, we use this kind of cutting board for a long time to cut food. For our bodies, will cause some significant impact and harm. So the cleaning board. It is not recommended that you use the detergent at home. At this point, we can use what we just reconciled. This cleaning solution to clean. We take out the cutting board. Then spray the cleaning liquid evenly on the cutting board. After spraying, now take out the scouring cloth or brush at home. Gently brush. Wipe it with your bare hands. It can also achieve good results. Because our edible baking soda and baijiu, it's something you can eat. Especially baijiu can already drink. And edible baking soda was just told to you. It is a food additive in itself. So even if it's not clean, it will not cause any harm to our bodies. And what? Baijiu can treat our cutting board, perform a disinfection, the role of sterilization. Also use baking soda like this. You can clean up the oil stains on the surface. In addition to that, like this cleaning solution we just had, it can also be used to clean household appliances, like a microwave oven or an oven at home. After using it for a long time, there is also a lot of odor in it. There will also be a lot of oil stains. Stains adhere to it. Not easy to clean. We use this electromagnetic furnace. Let me give you an example. It is mainly used to make some delicious food or heat up some leftovers. Very convenient. But after using it for a long time, there will be a lot of oil stains inside. Then if you use cleaning essence to clean, there will be more or less residue in it. So it is not recommended that you use detergent or other cleaning liquids. We can use this at this point. I just taught you to reconcile. This solution made from edible baking soda baijiu. Spray inside. It can achieve a good cleaning effect. At the same time, it can also play a role in disinfection and sterilization. Kill multiple birds with one stone. Why not? So in addition to these uses, like the stainless steel products at home. Like what? The stainless steel container we usually use to hold oil, or ceramic jars for seasonings. After a long time, there will be a lot of dust, impurities, oil stains, etc. on the surface, especially our condiment jars. Put it in the kitchen. There is often a lot of oil stains, oil spattered on it. Not easy to clean. Then, at this moment, we can also spray this solution on it. Then, wipe it lightly. Look at the dirt on the surface. The stain disappeared immediately. And here's the thing. Inside this ceramic jar, seasoning at home. It's something to enter. So use detergent or other washing products is not applicable. And with this detergent we mix today, just right, because it's all something that can be imported. So what? Nothing too far behind. Electric plug-in board at home. It doesn't matter if it's the kind of socket fixed on the wall or a universal movable socket at home. The surface will be very dirty after using it for a long time, and electrical outlets are not the same as other items if it is not cleaned properly. If it causes water to enter it, then it is easy to lead to this situation of power outage. There's some insecurity, some problems. So what? When we clean this electrical socket, be extra careful. You can spray a little bit around this electric socket. After spraying, gently wipe it with a tissue. Immediately clean. In addition to that, like if we are afraid to put this cleaner, spray into these jacks of electric sockets. Leads to some danger. Then we can put this cleaner sprayed on paper towels, or spray it on a rag. After wetting, wipe it with it. At this point, it will be more handy to use. And you can see, clean out the socket in this way. Very clean. You can remove the oil stains on it. While removing oil stains, it can also achieve a disinfection and sterilization effect. Kill two birds with one stone. Very nice. So what? Edible baking soda and baijiu at home. Pair together. Super useful. Any interested party can go home and have a try. Of course, if you think my video today, if it helps you, you can also like and forward it. Share with friends around you, so we can help more people. Of course, if you have any other better way, welcome to share in the comment area. Let more friends know. Let more people benefit. I am Longer. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. Our videos continue to be updated for you every day. Then our video sharing for this issue is here. Bye-bye in the next video.